Kia ora, I'm Emma Dent and this is the first episode of the Video Weekly Diary series. The Weekly Diary is an NZX data subscription product which covers off corporate actions, upcoming events and trading statistics. Further information on the Weekly Diary can be found in the links below. The Video Weekly Diary series will contain a weekly recap which will go over some of the trading statistics, including the highs and lows, and then we'll cover off notable announcements and the week ahead. We'll kick things off with our first weekly recap. We had a total value traded of 745 million, with 53% of that traded on market and a trade count of 118,000. The S&P NZX 50 crossed the 12,000 barrier last week, closing at 12,073, which was up 2%. Further information on the weekly recap, including the value and volume of the NZX top 10 securities, can be found in the weekly diary. Moving on to our highs and lows, Metro Performance Glass Limited were up 8%, Moa Group were up 7%, and AMP were also up 7%. On to our lows, Chatham Rock Phosphate were down 16%, Blackwell Global Holdings were down 14%, and Paysource Limited were down 12%. Next up are our notable announcements of the week. Livestock Improvement Corporation announced that it had signed a conditional agreement to acquire 50% of leading global agri-tech corporation Afamilk, and it is seeking shareholder approval of the investment. LIC will be holding a special shareholders meeting on the 7th of April, and the directors are recommending that shareholders vote yes for the investment. And finally, our week ahead. We are finishing up the February results season now, with 15 issuers releasing results last week. The remaining issuers will be releasing across this week, and by the end of the week we will have seen a total of 90 issuers releasing their results. When we're referring to a results season, we're referring to a period where a large number of issuers have the same reporting balance date, which means they'll all be releasing their results across the same time. The results will show the company's performance for either a 6 or 12-month period, and off the back of these performances we can see increases in trading activity along with price fluctuations depending on the result. That was episode 1 of the Video Weekly Diary series. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the Weekly Diary in the links below for more information, and we will see you again next week.